Hi, I'm going to show you a quick demo of IDA version 24.03. I'm logged in as a manager of an organization here. And I'm going to start off by asking a question that can be answered by knowledge base articles from the IT department. These articles are all loaded into the IDA knowledge system, and using generative AI, I can find my answer to virtually any question in the IT domain. I'm going to ask about antivirus software and if I need it for my Windows computer. And you can see using guardrails and the domain knowledge from IT, IDA is able to answer the question automatically. IDA is constantly collecting feedback as well, which you'll see there, which can be used to improve the AI over time and help it learn. Because I'm a manager, I have an interview coming up. So I'm going to ask IDA for some help with good interview questions. IDA's knowledge system could use its broad understanding of the world to help make recommendations, even if there's not an explicit policy covering this subject matter. Here, IDA tells me some great questions I can ask my candidate. My next question, I want to figure out which department I'm officially a part of. So this utterance maps to an explicit intent that's sourcing data from the HCM system. Similarly, I want to take a day off, and so I'm not sure what the process or the policy is. So I ask about filing a request for PTO. It's going to ask me a series of multi-turn questions. This is all deterministic AI. I answer those questions and it pre-populates an approval form. This is actually using GTE forms, which I can complete the final step of such a form and submit it for approval, and the whole workflow gets tracked. I stay inside my chat window and I don't get taken somewhere else. I'm going to close this and move on to the next example. Here, I'm going to request peer feedback as part of a 360-degree feedback process we have at this organization. You can see that I asked about sending that feedback to Steve. Well, IDA learns all the names in your organization by connecting to the HCM system. And so it knows who Steve is. It asks for clarity to make sure it has the right Steve, and then it will send off that request. If I'm ever frustrated or stuck, IDA can actually detect that frustration and can offer to transfer me to a live agent or give me other options for help. And that's your quick demo.